Oh, here you can see I've got the piston pin at least halfway out there. I was able to remove the connecting rod just by smacking it with this shorty ball peen hammer here, and about a 3-inch 3/8 bolt, using that for a punch. Have this piece of copper here with a 5/8 hole in it to allow the piston pin to go through, and then as you can see I open the vise up. As you can see the pin sticking down there. So the copper shielded the piston from taking getting all scraped up by the vise. I suppose wood or something would work also, but just happen to have some of this handy there. So a few more hits and I expect that that pin will come right out of there. I don't know if I can set the camera somewhere where we'll record this. I guess I can try. See if I can zoom her in there. See what we can do here. I wasn't planning on this, but oh, and of course it got blurry. I don't know why. Oh well, I'm gonna have to shut it off. Sorry, just monkeying around here, trying to get it to focus, but this camera isn't always very good that way. Well, so basically I'm gonna have to give her a few more smacks there. I'll give it one-handed here. Normally I hold the piston, but oh, she's gonna come out. How do you like that? There, piston pin's out. So there's the piston pin. So I can possibly reuse that. Depends how rusted it is, I guess. But should be able to reuse the piston also. So able to salvage as much of this as I can here. So that's good. Sorry about the blurry part there, but I didn't think I could do it one-handed. But as you can see, just using simple tools, I was able to get a lot of the top compression ring off, but couldn't do it in one piece. So, but just using simple tools and relatively small hammer there, I've been able to get the piston taken apart there, in spite of the fact